All right, happy Friday. So just like yesterday, I'm going to say 3 words, and you tell me the word that doesn't rhyme. The other 2 should rhyme, and there's one that does not. Log, fog, 10. 10. Nice, mice, sun. Sun. Cut, hut, cat. Cat. Head, bed, odd. Odd. Note, wrote, neat. Neat. Weighed, got, paid. Got. That was a tricky one. It was in the middle. Dove, roam, dome. Dove. Okay, onset fluency. I'll say the 3 words. You tell me what sound they start with. Polo past pilot. P. Odd, otter, oxen. Ah. Lemon, liquid, land. O. Rain, reset, ready. Odor, oval, own. O. Good. We'll blend our phonemes. I'll do them with you because we're still doing the 3 sounds. A, k. Make. O, a, k. Luck. A, p. Mop. B, ig. Big. Now I'm going to give you a little pause to say it, and then I'll say it and make sure you got it right. Ed. Fed. And man. Dime. Okay, isolating final sounds. Thumbs up if they have the same final sound. Thumbs down if they have a different final sound. Noise, toys. Fin, shape. Stamp, hat. 5, love. Rain, fine. Okay, segmenting. I'm going to say the word. You say the word. We'll chop it up together at first. Remember, there's going to be 3 chops. And then after a couple, I'll let you do it yourself. Yes. Yes. Nice. Nice. Ice. Feet. Feet. Eat. Yak. 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 Now a couple by yourself. Face. Time. Page. Job. Okay, good job. I'm going to add the initial phoneme, which is the beginning sound. We have oat. Add to the beginning to make oat, moat. We have at ache. Add t to the beginning to make ache, take. We have it. Add s to the beginning to make sit. We have r. Add t to the beginning to make tar. We have out. Add p to the beginning to make pout. Okay, now we're deleting the initial phoneme. We have the word dime without duh. What's left? I'm. We have the word soar without s. What's left? Or. We have the word mall without m. What's left? All. We have the word jump without j. What's left? Ump. We have the word damp without duh. What's left? Amp. We have the word sake without s. What's left? Ache. Okay. We're substituting phonemes. We have the word wrist. Change r to ul. What word? List. List. We have the word wild. Change wa to m. What's the word? Mild. We have the word maze. Change m to ga. What word? Gaze. We have the word nose. Change m to cha. What word? Chose. We have the word them. Change the to cha. What word? Gem. Good. And our nursery rhyme is Humpty Dumpty, and I think this is one you know pretty well, but I'll say the first couple lines, you repeat. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. All right, we'll see you next week. Have a great weekend.